Hi, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to SA Accounting Academy. Here's a short clip on one of our previous webinars. I hope that you really do enjoy it.
Good morning, everybody. Yes, let's get all the well wishes out of the way. All the best for 2022 to all of you too. Can you believe we're in the 4th week of January already? I don't know if it's a question of as you get older, time flies, or if it's a question of time flies when you're having fun. Either one of those. You'll see that the slides today, I've tried to make a summary on each and every point that I've given you on the slides. I think it's better if we can obviously do a lot less reading. So I want to start off. I do see a couple of new names. I see a couple of people who attended my training regulations webinar, and then I see a lot of regulars, but I do see some new names as well. So a very warm welcome to those of you joining us for the first time. You'll get used to my style of presentation. I'm not afraid to, as they say, throw my name. Okay, so let's quickly start. As you can see, we've got the MCLU for January, and so we're dealing with all the webinar updates, all the updates for December 2021. Obviously, it was annual shutdown, so most people only worked until roughly the 14th or 15th. And there were a couple of updates up to the 17th of December, but beyond that, really nothing much. So you'll see that even though we've got a very full day because there were enough items to keep our interest, and that's what I'm going to be dealing with. So let's start quickly. Those of you that have not met me before, that's what I look like. This is my, as they say, marketing blurb. It's what I do, where I've been, what I do now. What I do now is professional training and webinar hosting. I'm also responsible for this product called the MCLU. You'll know that Karen Maitland presents every second month with me. So just so that you've got some variety as well. And if you have any ideas on that, please let us have your ideas. All right. So if you've got any questions about what we do, about what I do, you should find it all in here. All right. When I'm not busy doing webinars, I'm busy consulting to mostly audit firms. Oh, Mark says, where are the slides? If you look on the right-hand side, you can see it says public and then shared files. And just click under shared files and you'll see the presentation slides there. All right. Alternatively, they will be available for download from your profile as well. Okay. Do you guys see the shared files one? Okay, good. Thanks, Mark. My pleasure. All right. So when I'm not doing presentations or research, I do a lot of consultation, like file reviews and so on. Okay, anything that people need help with. So I'm like the go-to for when there's a crisis. So let's quickly look at what's on the agenda for today. As you can see, the only ones where there are none is employment law update and general announcements. I didn't want to fill that up. I normally use those as space fillers. The slides on the website, Johan, are not available yet. I don't know if they're available on your profiles yet, but you will find them here in the webinar room. On the right-hand side, you'll see in your chat bar, it says public and then shared files. Click on shared files and you can download it from here as well. All right. So I hope that helps you, Johan. Jeremiah, will you just assist with that one as well? I don't know if it's been uploaded to the profiles. If you can just answer Johan directly, I'd appreciate that. Thanks. All right. So we've got an accounting update with 6 items, auditing with 6 items, company secretarial. You'll remember that Karen did quite a lot with you last month. Some of them were early December. So yes, there's only one item for this month. A very interesting COVID-19 item that I found. 3 other laws and regulations, 3 items that I found there. Under the tax update, 11 items, nothing really major, but 11 very informative items that I found. And then there were 10 court cases that they finalized quickly before everybody went on holiday. And then the regulator news, we've got 12 items this month. So that's it. Thank you, Jeremiah, for uploading the slides. And it's a pleasure, Johan. Now you've got your slides. All right. I know I normally give you a quote, but I thought that I want to give you a wish for your year. A new year means a new chapter. And from the bottom of my heart, I hope that 2022 is an incredible part of your story. Okay, so whatever story you are writing, whatever resources you need, may you have all of them in abundance. Right. Okay, so let's move to the accounting update. Under the accounting update, if we look at the IFRS monthly news summary, I did say there nothing really new or important, but I did say refer to source document. So I'm going to quickly open up the source document. That's the one I did show you. Let me just get my screen size right. Wait, I'm just going to turn my screen sharing on first, eh? That will help. Okay, there's the document that I have put into a PDF for you. This is their December news summary, right? And you'll see exactly this is it. Nothing really major. There's a who's been appointed, there's a webcast, there's a speech, there's a specific document amendment to IFRS 17, right? It's transition option there. And then proposed changes to the taxonomy technology, and then the updates for the IASB and the podcast that's available. So really nothing major here. There's nothing that you need to go and read up on. So I just wanted to give you the document so that you've got it in any event. Then there's a document on the AS that was issued by the ASB, right? The ASB, which deals with the Accounting Standards Board, and they normally issue all the GRAP documents, right? Generally recognized accounting practice. Now, who is that for? Who's GRAP for? Well, it's mainly for your entities, right? If you look at your GRAP, hang on 1 second for me. The GRAP is for normally the municipalities, the local and national spheres of government, right? They're the ones that are allowed to use GRAP. And IGRAP 21 is the one that deals with materiality. Now, IGRAP 21 was issued on the effects of past decisions on materiality. And it looks at a discussion or discusses how management should assess materiality and when circumstances can indicate that an error has been made. So no longer is materiality this pie in the sky type of item that was only used by auditors. It has to be used by management from a GRAP perspective, and it's effective here for financial periods that start on or after 1 April 2023. So you'll see this is very far in the future. And because it is a specialized area, I thought let me rather give it to you rather than not. But you'll see that this is on the application of materiality to financial statements that should be applied by entities. All right. It's not mandatory, it's a guideline that was issued. All right. But they asked the question, can past decisions about materiality affect future accounting? And obviously the question is yes. But you can't just look at the past anymore. You've got to be forward looking as well and looking at your current circumstances. Right. Very important, this one. I don't know how many of you deal with bodies corporate. Okay, I know SAICA and everywhere they talk about body corporates. It's actually bodies corporate. So I didn't haul out my red pen to correct them. But SAICA has issued the draft SMEs illustrative financial statements for body corporates. It's out in draft format, so it's out for comment only until Monday, right? So only until the 31st of January this year. If you want to have your 2 cents, that's it. I've given you the 2 source documents. There's a cover page, and then very important, there's a template. So let me go and open the template for you.
I hope that you enjoyed that video. For more of our webinar videos, go to www.accountingacademy.co.za. Thank you and have a lovely day.